Testing can inform layout, design, and language of packaging. It is recommended to conduct this testing early in the development process. Users don't look at instructions unless they are well designed. Use pictures to illustrate critical information. Use universal icons like stop signs where possible, and use font styles sparingly. A quick reference guide is helpful for many users, but should not replace instructions for use. Use visuals to remind users of critical steps, and do not overcrowd information on the quick reference guide. Reference the IFU for details. Packaging is important to dose and drug differentiation, particularly in the pharmacy. Elements like use of color, shape, and text should be tested to ensure that errors are minimized. New package and label designs should also be validated. Even minor changes can impact potential for medication errors. Even if clinicians or patients are expected to receive training on device, unless this training is verified before first-time use, research should be conducted with untrained users. If training is incorporated, it should also be evaluated and iterated throughout the development process. Considerations include individual versus group format, the use of published materials like online tutorials, a training decay period, and clinical versus layperson differences. Each user group operates a device in different use environments, requiring different simulations to encourage realistic behavior during testing. A clinical setting might include using a mannequin as a patient with access to their typical clinical supplies, such as gloves and alcohol swabs. If testing with pharmacists, mock up stock shelves, pharmacy bags, prescription labels, and consider testing with dyads, both pharmacists and technicians in the same session. If testing patients and caregivers using an in-home setting, an injection pad can be placed on the participant's or mannequin's body for realistic device positioning. Thinking through logistics is key to successful research. For example, are you using a placebo versus live drug? Do you need refrigerated storage? What type of injection pad should be used? And is there a first aid kit in the test room? Some human factors considerations include the injection site and angle, drug volume and viscosity, the plunger or flange design, storage and package design, dose and drug differentiation, and the IFU design. Why do we have so much to say about injection device research? Well, we've planned, managed, and executed over 300 healthcare research and design engagements over the past 5 years with over 60 healthcare companies. We also have over 15 years experience conducting research with injection devices that have focused on a wide range of devices. But enough about us. Let's talk about you. Contact us for more insight and to discuss how we can support your next project.